Exciting news! I bought a house, and I'm planning to use all the weird little skills and tricks that I picked up doing costuming for the last number of years to renovate it. I've got a ton of stuff in mind of all the little things that I want to change and add. I want to turn it into like a little homestead because it's on an acre, to create like a big garden, a self-automating garden if I can, a greenhouse, a sauna, a workshop, just a ton of stuff to make this plot of land my own. And if I can, like a little system that feeds into itself with chicken and all that. I'm super excited. It has a ton of space for my dog to run. That's a lot better than the thin little strip of grass that I had before. She is a 100-pound Mastiff, and this will be a lot better for her. Then I'm excited to see the skills that I picked up making little props and armor and stuff translate to actual big real life projects. Obviously this is going to be a shift of my normal content, and I'm going to tweak my name from Jex to DJ Does It. My name is DJ, to kind of signal that I'm doing more than just costumes nowadays. I plan on still making props and armor. I love costuming. I love nerdy stuff in general. But I'm also gonna try making furniture and try, my hand at this whole building and renovating and stuff thing. The intent here is to show that just about anybody can do these giant, crazy projects. The world of YouTube and the internet today, with all of the knowledge at your fingertips. If you've got the determination, you can make it happen. So yeah, I hope that any or all of this sounds interesting, and then you'll watch along and maybe get inspired to do some sort of project like this on your own. And otherwise, yeah, enjoy me making plenty of mistakes and trying to put myself out there with my failures and trying to figure all of this stuff out. I'm excited, so yeah, please join me. Thanks. All right, I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough, kind of show off where we're starting from, and talk about some of the ideas that, hello, that's me. Some of the ideas that I have in mind for this space. Hopefully I can look back at this brief little video a couple years from now and go, wow, look at all that difference. So I had a structural engineer come out today and tell me there is a load-bearing pillar here, but most of the rest of this can go away. So I'm gonna rip all of that apart because this room feels very narrow, very compact. It's an older home. They don't have crazy high ceilings and open floor plans. So I'm gonna rip that wall out and have an island in between to, give some space to this space. The kitchen is very old. There's tons of storage, way more storage than I need, especially because I'll talk about when I get down there, but I'm planning on having one of the spaces in the basement be like a larder, so I don't need all that space. Gonna be replacing all of these appliances with more modern ones that work. And yeah, this is some interesting sort of linoleum roll. Rip all that up and see what's underneath. This appears to be hardwood. I'm super excited to rip this carpet up and see what's going on under there. Hopefully it's hardwood throughout. That'd be pretty swell. That is the basement going downstairs. I will show you that once I finish the rounds here. Hallway. This is only a 2-bedroom, and this bedroom here is pretty small. I think it was a kid's bedroom with Minnie Mouse situation going on up there. I like my bedroom to just be a bed and an end table. Got a closet. Exciting stuff. So that's fine. This will be where my bed is. And then the other bedroom, a little bit larger. This will be my home office. And the plan is to use this little hollowed out space, this closet, it's kind of finished. Hello again. To put my sit stand desk there, and I think I'm going to use this little recess, expand it a little bit, larger and put my tower in there. So it'll be all cool with the lights and everything in a little alcove. The bathroom is very claustrophobic. This definitely needs to go. This extends out way too far, and so you walk in, it's kind of like, yeah, just a lot of feelings of kind of far too small in here. So this will be a fun project to expand all of this and stuff a little bit. That is where the phone used to be, because this is a 50s house, and that's exciting. It's cute. I don't know what I want to do with it, but yeah, it's a thing. All right, journeying down to the basement with these patchwork stairs. It's just get carpet on these suckers at any cost, really. So the basement is fairly finished, but I don't really love the finish. So I'm deciding which walls I want to maybe tear out. There's a bathroom down here that is carpeted, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, and it needs a lot of love. So I have a feeling I'm probably just gonna gut like most of this. Yeah, cool to technically have a second bathroom down here, but yeah. And this would be the space that, you know, if I leave the walls up, would be a little larder of all my canned foods and stuff. The space is pretty large and would be my gym. So have all of my benches and stuff down here, and so I'm planning on ripping all of the carpet in the house up, just exposing the concrete and just painting some epoxy on the concrete down here, except over there, which will have gym foam pads. I'm doing some work in here. So this used to all be drop ceiling. I got the house yesterday, and I came in and immediately ripped these ceilings down because the electrician is running some grounding throughout. This is all ungrounded, which can be accounted for with certain types of outlets, but doesn't really protect your appliances. So getting some circuits ran up to the kitchen and the office and over to the washer and dryer and such. Space is interesting with the cabinetry and things. I haven't figured out what I want to do in here. But yeah, time will tell on that one. And then, yeah, just some general cleanup needed at the under the stairs place. There's lots of these like sliding doors that I want to figure out something better for as well. All right. So this is the view from the street, the outside. There's Sif. And that's the detached garage / workshop. Good girl. Good girl. All right. So as you can see, there's a whole lot of room to work with back here. Huge trees. There's an outhouse. I feel like there's probably a story behind that. Need to get that taken out. Got a shed back here with a concrete slab, which is pretty nice. I don't love the placement, but I think I can work with it. And definitely gonna take that street lamp down. Another shed, and now we're going on a walk. Yeah. All right. Huge stand of trees out here. A good amount of them seem dead, so that will be a challenge. And then this is where the garden's gonna go. I love the look of this little gate going into the garden, so I think I'll remake it, but kind of copy the intention there, and then make a path coming out into the like outdoor entertainment area thing. And then this will all be garden. And then back behind here, I'm thinking, after I clear out all of these blackberry bushes, I think that right here would be a perfect place for a greenhouse. Gets tons of sun, really nice open area, and, you know, thematic with the garden back there. And then over here, there's not a ton of planting I can do in all the shade of these trees, but I can have a chicken run. So maybe put a coop back there, and then have a run for them up through these trees, which would be pretty nice. Yeah, and then the trees keep going. There's a little rope thing, so you can, yeah, check that out. Exciting stuff. Yeah, I love this this kind of hedge divider. I need to clean it up a bit, but I really like that I'll be able to visually separate the garden and greenhouse, kind of like farmy stuff, from back here, which I'm intending to put a deck out with my my grill and my smoker, and make like a brick oven and things. That'll really be the like entertaining area. Yeah. So, oh, there are apple trees over there I need to clean up. So yeah, there's a ton of potential in this project. Really looking forward to getting started, honestly. Yeah, I'll stop recording and get to it. Hopefully you see the potential that I see, and you want to come along on the journey. If you see any particular parts of this project or property that you think is particularly inspiring, like, wow, wouldn't it be swell to have this crazy doghouse situation for this little nerd, let me know, and maybe I'll build it. We can kind of like crowdsource some of this. Cool. Thanks for watching.